Welcome back to the lab. Today, we're diving into the world of dates, the fruit that's fueled civilizations for thousands of years. We're pitting fresh dates against dried dates in a head-to-head showdown. You might think a date is just a date, but the transformation from fresh to dried is a wild journey of chemistry and flavor. We'll break down their differences: moisture, calories, nutrition, texture, and taste. Why does one work better for snacking, while the other is a baker's secret weapon? By the end, you'll know exactly which date to reach for, and why. Grab your lab coat and your sweet tooth. The great date debate starts now. Let's start with the most obvious difference: water. It's the secret ingredient that shapes everything about a date, from its texture to its taste, and even how long it lasts in your kitchen. Fresh dates are plump, juicy, and about 60% water. Think of them as edible water balloons, bursting with natural sweetness and moisture. That moisture gives them a soft, creamy texture and a short shelf life. Bite into one, and you'll notice how tender and almost melt in your mouth it feels. You'll find them in the fridge, not the pantry, because they spoil quickly. Their high water content makes them as perishable as berries or peaches. Dried dates, on the other hand, have had most of their water removed, down to about 25% or less. They're the result of patience and time, transformed by the sun or a dehydrator. This dehydration is preservation in action. Less water means fewer microbes and a much longer shelf life. It's nature's way of locking in flavor and nutrients for the long haul. The drying process shrinks and wrinkles the fruit, making it dense and chewy. Each bite is more concentrated, with a deeper caramel-like sweetness. Dried dates can last for months in your cupboard, ready whenever you need a sweet fix. They're the ultimate grab-and-go snack, perfect for busy days or long journeys. The difference in water content is the root of all their other differences: texture, taste, and nutrition. It's what separates a fresh, juicy bite from a chewy, concentrated one. Fresh dates are fleeting and delicate. Dried dates are durable and concentrated. One is a seasonal treat, the other a pantry staple. When you look at them side by side, you're seeing two philosophies. One is about enjoying the moment, the other is about lasting power. It's a choice between savoring freshness or storing sweetness for later. That's why each has its own place in your kitchen. Fresh dates shine in desserts and salads, while dried dates are perfect for baking, snacking, or blending into smoothies. The fresh date is a juicy, perishable treat. It's a rare find, best enjoyed when you want something special and luxurious. The dried date is a shelf-stable, concentrated snack. Water changes everything, turning a fragile fruit into a long-lasting delight. So next time you pick a date, remember, you're choosing between now and later, between instant pleasure and lasting satisfaction. That's the magic of moisture. It's the invisible force that shapes the destiny of every date you eat, and it's just the beginning of their story. There's a whole world of flavor and tradition waiting to be explored. Let's see what happens when the water leaves and the sugar stays. The transformation is more than just physical. It's a journey through time and taste. The journey from fresh to dried is just getting started. 2 dates, 2 destinies. Which will you choose? Let's keep going and discover more. When water leaves, sugar stays, and gets concentrated. It's a simple process, but it transforms the fruit in a big way. As dates dry, the water content drops dramatically, leaving behind a dense, sweet package that's almost pure energy. Fresh dates are sweet, but their high water content keeps the flavor light and refreshing. Biting into a fresh date is like tasting a burst of natural juice, with a subtle sweetness that doesn't overwhelm your palate. Dried dates? They're sugar bombs, intense, chewy, and nearly double the calories per gram. The texture changes too, becoming sticky and dense, almost like nature's own candy. A 100-gram serving of fresh dates has about 145 calories. Dried dates pack in around 280. That's a huge jump, all thanks to the water loss and sugar concentration. That's the power of dehydration. Same fruit, but now it's rocket fuel. The transformation is dramatic, turning a simple snack into a high-octane energy source. Dried dates are nature's original energy bar, perfect for athletes, hikers, or anyone needing a quick boost. They're portable, non-perishable, and packed with nutrients, making them a favorite for people on the go. But if you're watching your sugar or calorie intake, portion size matters. It's easy to eat more than you realize since dried dates are so compact and sweet. Think of fresh dates as fruit juice and dried dates as syrup concentrate. The difference is like sipping a light drink versus pouring on a thick, sweet topping. Both are delicious, but one is a gentle lift, the other is a jolt. It all depends on what you're looking for in a snack. The sugar concentration is why dried dates taste like caramel and toffee. Their flavor deepens and becomes more complex as they dry. It's also why they've been prized by travelers for centuries. Dried dates were essential provisions for long journeys across deserts and trade routes. So, choose your date based on your energy needs. Are you after a quick pick-me-up or a slow, refreshing treat? Need a light snack? Go fresh. They're hydrating, gentle, and easy on the system. Need a compact, high-energy bite? Go dried. They're perfect for when you need lasting fuel in a small package. The difference is all in the math and the mouthfeel. Each has its own unique texture and taste experience. Dried dates are concentrated sunshine, capturing the warmth and energy of the sun in every bite. Fresh dates are a sweet breeze. Both have their place. Choose wisely and enjoy the best of both worlds. Let's talk fiber, the unsung hero of gut health. Dried dates are fiber powerhouses with nearly 8 grams per 100-gram serving. That's a big boost for your digestion, helping keep things moving and you feeling full. The fiber in dried dates also slows sugar absorption, balancing out their sweetness. Fresh dates have fiber too, but it's less concentrated because of all that water. If you want a quick, efficient way to up your fiber, dried dates are your friend. Add them to oatmeal or snack on a few for a gut-friendly treat. The dried date is the digestive champion. Fresh dates are still good, but you'll need to eat more to get the same benefit. For fiber, dried dates win by a landslide. Your gut will thank you. Dates are loaded with minerals: potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron. Both fresh and dried dates are great sources, but drying concentrates these nutrients. Dried dates pack more minerals per bite, making them a compact multivitamin from nature. Potassium is especially high, more than in bananas. Magnesium, calcium, and iron are all present in higher concentrations in dried dates. Fresh dates still offer these minerals, just in a less concentrated form. If you want a nutrient-dense snack, dried dates are your go-to. But remember, some delicate vitamins, like vitamin C, don't survive the drying process. Fresh dates keep more of those heat-sensitive nutrients. So, for minerals, dried dates are the winner. For certain vitamins, fresh dates have the edge. It's all about what your body needs. Either way, you're getting a healthy boost. Here's where fresh dates shine: antioxidants. These compounds fight free radicals and protect your cells. Fresh dates retain more delicate antioxidants, like vitamin C, which are lost during drying. Dried dates still have plenty of stable antioxidants like phenolic acids, but the variety is reduced. So if you want a broader spectrum of antioxidants, fresh is best. If you want a concentrated dose of the stable, inflammation-fighting kind, dried dates deliver. It's a trade-off: variety versus potency. Fresh dates are the antioxidant all-stars. Dried dates are the concentrated defenders. Both help fight oxidative stress. Choose based on your health goals. Either way, you're doing your body a favor. Antioxidants for the win. Let's get to the real reason we eat dates: taste and texture. Fresh dates are soft, creamy, and subtly sweet, with hints of honey and spice. Their high water content makes them melt in your mouth. Dried dates are chewy, dense, and intensely sweet, with deep caramel and toffee notes. The drying process creates a natural candy, rich and complex. It's like the difference between a grape and a raisin, or a plum and a prune. Fresh dates are light and refreshing. Dried dates are bold and decadent. The choice comes down to mood and recipe. Want something delicate and juicy? Go fresh. Craving a chewy, dessert-like treat? Dried is your answer. Neither is better, they're just different. Use them to create two totally unique eating experiences. One is the taste of harvest. The other, the taste of time. Understanding this helps you use them wisely in your kitchen. Fresh for elegance, dried for intensity. Both are delicious. Both are dates. Enjoy the difference. Now, let's put dates to work in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, dates offer a world of possibilities for creative cooking. Fresh dates are perfect for snacking, stuffing with cheese or nuts, or tossing into salads for a burst of sweetness. Their natural sugars and soft bite make them a delightful addition to cheese boards or as a quick, healthy treat. Their soft texture makes them ideal for raw or gently cooked dishes. Try them in breakfast bowls, yogurt parfaits, or even as a topping for oatmeal. They're best as a finishing touch, not for long cooking. Heat can break down their delicate flavor, so use them where they can shine. Dried dates are the baker's best friend, bringing a rich, caramel-like sweetness to your favorite recipes. Their chewy texture and intense sweetness hold up in breads, cookies, and energy bars. They add moisture and depth, making every bite more satisfying. They're also a natural binder. Blend them into a sticky paste for raw desserts or as a sugar substitute. Date paste is a fantastic way to sweeten recipes without refined sugar. Date paste or syrup adds depth to smoothies, sauces, and marinades. It's a versatile ingredient that can enhance both sweet and savory dishes. The rule: fresh dates for delicate fresh dishes, dried dates for baking and blending. Each type brings its own unique qualities to the table. Fresh dates are for savoring, enjoyed just as they are, or paired with simple accompaniments. Dried dates are for building flavor and structure, giving body to baked goods and energy snacks. Use the right date for the right job, and your cooking will shine. Experiment with different varieties to discover new flavors and textures. That's the secret to unlocking their full potential. Let your creativity guide you in the kitchen. Fresh or dried, dates are a cook's secret weapon, ready to elevate both everyday meals and special occasions. Experiment and see what works best for you. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Let your taste buds decide, and enjoy the delicious journey that dates can take you on. There you have it, the tale of two dates. Fresh dates, soft, juicy, and packed with delicate nutrients. Dried dates, concentrated, shelf-stable, and bursting with energy and minerals. Each has its own strengths in the kitchen and for your health. The best date is the one that fits your needs and your recipe. Try both and discover your favorite way to enjoy this ancient fruit. Are you team fresh or team dried? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.